Hey folks, I'm your host Brett Rasmussen, and you're watching Back to School, your guide to riding backcountry terrain Rasmussen style. This is episode 20. Chances are you've probably been stuck. We all have. The good news is there's more than one way to get out, and we're going to teach you how. This is the barrel roll method, and it works great when you're on any kind of slope. First, shut the engine off and check the snow below the sled for rocks, stumps, or hard ground. These hazards can damage the sled as you roll it downhill. Second, position yourself on the lower side of the sled. Grab the handlebars and pull the sled to its side. If it doesn't roll fairly easily, it may be that the track is trenched too deep or in too firm of snow. In this case, start the engine and rotate the track slowly as you pull the sled over. The track will saw through the wall of the trench and allow the sled to roll out. It can also help to evacuate snow trapped in the rails or tunnel. Third, with the engine off, walk to the upper side of the sled and continue to roll the sled over by pushing or pulling on the skis or spindles. Be careful when pulling on other parts of the sled, as they may break. Even the handlebars can bend with too much force. Fourth, before restarting the sled, be sure to clear the snow from the air vents and also around the throttle lever. This will ensure that the engine gets enough air and also that the throttle safety switch resets properly. If your engine starts but won't throttle up, you may need to clear the throttle some more, as snow tends to collect where the throttle lever and throttle block meet. Pro tip: toward the end of the move, if you bring the sled to rest on its edge instead of two skis down, you'll be able to continue traversing the slope and change direction easily. Thanks for watching Back to School. In episode 21, we'll be teaching one additional method to getting unstuck. Get details about our in-person clinics at riderasmussenstyle.com.